Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Lauren Hardy, and I'm here to talk all things virtual real estate investing. Today, I want to talk about my favorite way to negotiate deals with sellers and get on the same page with pricing with my sellers. But before I do that, I want to suggest that if you like what you hear, please subscribe to this channel because you are going to be getting videos every single week from me. Also, if you want to follow me in my journey, my Instagram handle is thismomflips, and I post everything on Instagram. If you want to also learn more about my virtual real estate coaching, please go to www.wholesalinginc.com/virtual. All right, guys, today I'm going to talk about some secrets and tricks that I like to use when I negotiate with sellers. I like to negotiate with sellers over the phone, and that's how I do everything. And over the years and thousands of sellers I've spoken to, I've gotten really good at working out deals with sellers that they feel good about and I feel good about. And the way I like to do that is I like to have conversations with sellers. I like to build rapport. I like to really get to know them. I want to know what motivates them. I want to know the pain they're feeling. I want to know as much as I can about the seller so I can come up with an agreement that works for both of us. Often it comes up though that the seller is somewhere with price and I'm like over here with price, and we are having a hard time meeting in the middle. That's a tough place to be, right? I typically like to take the approach where I act as the middleman when we're in that situation. So how do I do that? Well, I refer to a imaginary partner of mine. I like to pretend that I have a partner or we have an underwriting department. I like to place the blame on somebody else, essentially. I am a very non-confrontational person, and that is the way I roll with my sellers. So the best way when you have a seller who has a price in their head and you have a price in your head, right? And you're trying to get them to come to your price. The best way to do that is you say, listen, let me talk to my partner about the price, but right now the price is $50,000. Could you see yourself taking that? And you hear what they say. Now, say they say, no, you know what? I can't budge. I'm at 65,000. Okay. From there, you go, well, listen, let me share that with my partner. I mean, we really want to make right with you. We want to do something that works for both of us. I mean, we want to make sure that you're comfortable with the price, and same with us. Let me talk to my partner and I'll get back to you. So you're saying the lowest you would take was 65,000? Let them confirm that. From that point, I schedule a follow-up call, as quickly as I can. And I say, ring, ring, ring. Okay, Mr. Seller, I spoke to my partner. Here's the deal. We can't go up that high. And I give them reasons. I might lay out some comps, some supporting facts. But I also say, listen, my partner did say though, we can come up a little bit. And I don't know if you could see yourself taking this, but we could come up to 58,000. What are your thoughts? And hear what the seller says. From that point, it really is a back and forth until you can get the seller to agree on the price you want. Now, I like to use supporting facts, like I like to use comps in the area, and I have no problem giving those exact addresses and sharing with the seller, hey, this is how we came up with the price. We have this comp here, this comp here. When you have a good rapport with the seller, you can easily support your narrative, by explaining where you're coming from. And that could even be, economic situations like, hey, Mr. Seller, we're in uncertain times right now. So normally I would love to be able to offer you 65,000, but I can't because of X, Y, and Z. And given that, there's these comps right down the road that sold for 55, I have to stay closer to 55. Could you see yourself coming any lower? What's the lowest you can take? And pausing and letting that seller come up with that price, letting them meet you where you're at. And if they're still not where you're at, you always pause and say, well, let me talk to my partner and I'll get back to you. I love taking that approach because it gives you a minute to and re-strategize. Maybe you can come up. Maybe you can actually take you need to come up a little bit and meet in the middle with the seller. So I love taking that strategy, and I always like to come from a place of I'm the middleman. Don't shoot the messenger when I'm negotiating deals with sellers. So you guys, I hope you liked today's quick tip. If you like what you hear and you want to learn more about virtual real estate investing in real estate out of, say, your home territory, negotiating deals over the phone, and my awesome one-on-one coaching program, please visit www.wholesalinginc.com/virtual. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for listening.